Okay, I want to point out just a couple things really quick that are new in Live 10 that you might, if you're on an older version of Live, you might be confused by or something. The first thing is that colors are a lot more uh, active, let's say, in Live 10. So the colors are a bit more bold and they're a lot more places. Probably the main reason for that is because of over here, which we'll talk about in a minute. But this collections thing lets you kind of group sounds, clips, effects, plugins all together by a color. So it's really kind of handy. And we'll talk about that when we talk about the browser. Other things that are new are there's a new instrument. So there's one new instrument called the wavetable. When we get into instruments, which will be a little ways yet, you won't have access to that. There's a few new audio effects that you won't have access to. And then there's some general look and feel things that will look different. This capture button you don't have, and that's going to be something that I really talk a lot about soon. In the next probably 10 videos, I'm going to be talking about this capture button because I love it. It is so cool. But I'm sorry to say, if you're not in Live 10, you don't have it. There's a lot of other kind of behind the scenes stuff, but those are kind of the main things. The main look and layout is largely the same. You know, there's more colors. There's a couple more buttons up here, and there's some more effects. But until you get into the really advanced stuff, you probably won't notice a whole lot of difference. So I just wanted to point out those couple things. And I'll be pointing out more as they come. But don't worry about it. Okay, so let's move on and start talking about the main kind of navigation stuff in Live and look at all the different sections.